Hello students and welcome back. So in this chapter we were discussing about different living organisms और हम इन living organisms में mostly human के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, right? So we discussed what are the different systems that are present in human, different organs के बारे में पढ़ा, उन organs के different functions को हमने जो है वो discuss किया, alright? So specifically if we talk about heart, तो heart जो है it's actually one of the main parts of the body, ठीक है? And it helps us to circulate the blood in all of our body. हमारी body के अंदर सारा blood जो है वो circulate किसकी help से होता है? By the help of heart. Alright? हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to look that how does a heart actually works and we are going to make a model of our heart by ourselves. ठीक है? It's very easy. So in this video, I'm going to show you and we're going to do a small project that will show how the heart works और उसमें से blood किस तरह pump out होता है and we are going to learn about the mechanism of heart. ठीक है? So for that, you will be needing some household items. For example, you will be needing a balloon. You will also be needing a jar. And make sure कि आपका jar जो है वो transparent हो. You will be needing a red food color और water. ठीक है, आपने water के अंदर red food color mix करके उसको jar में डाल देना है ताकि the color of the food represent it as a blood. ठीक है, इसके अलावा we are going to have the straws as well. 2 straws will work for you. Beside that, you will also be needing a tape and a scissor. Alright, so these are some of the things that you need. इसके साथ you will be needing a rubber band as well. So these are some of the items that everyone have in their homes, and using these items we are going to make a heart and we are going to see how it pumps the blood out of it. ठीक है, so let's watch the video and learn how to make a model of heart.
1. Fill up the jar in half and put some red food color in it. 2. Take a balloon and cut it in half to make a lid of the jar. Three, take a scissor and poke 2 holes on the top. 4. Take 1 straw and cover its one side with a tape. 5. Now take the straws and place them inside the jar through the holes. Six, put pressure on top of the lid by pressing finger. 7. You can observe that water is being pumped out of the jar. This is how the heart pumps blood out and into other parts of our body.